Mrs. Martinez once again. Today we are going to do a little snack called Banana Sushi. Our ingredients are peanut butter, Nutella, banana, and a flour tortilla. If you'd like, you can also use a whole wheat tortilla. The first thing we're going to do is wash your hands. If you have gloves, you may wear gloves. So the first thing we're going to do is get our flour tortilla. We are going to put a little bit of peanut butter. Make sure you spread it around. Okay. Once you get that, if you like Nutella, you put some Nutella. Nutella is hazelnut. A couple of teaspoons of Nutella. Spread it around. Next, you're going to get your banana. You can pre-wash the outside just to be safe. And you're going to put it in the middle. Then you are going to roll it, just like you're going to roll it into a tight burrito. Now what I like is, I like to put mine in the refrigerator for about half an hour so that the banana will be nice and cold. Then with a plastic knife, you're going to cut into little circles. And there is your banana sushi. Very easy to make, a nice healthy snack, and I hope you enjoy your day.